Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Pyth. An update. A lot of you requested it earlier this day, and also yesterday already. So it was time to make an update. All right. I always thought, these videos, these updates, didn't get too many views. I thought it was interesting to cover it, but it's good to know that some of you appreciate them. Yeah, we're taking a look at it again today. Pyth itself. It has lost some momentum, right? You can see when you just take a look at the naked chart, is that first of all, when it really was in the middle of that rally, it was just only going up. The 28 and the 50 EMA, which are the blue and red lines respectively, were below the price, providing support. And then what happened yesterday evening is Pyth got a bit of a pullback, right? And it also got a bearish breakout or a bearish break retest here at 51 cents, which was a level that was respected in the days prior. So right now the situation for Pyth is a little bit more, a little bit less clear, all right? It was very bullish. It could still continue to be bullish. But yeah, like I said, a little bit less clear. So right now, first of all, Pyth network on the long term, I think it's a great project, all right? It's currently at a 700 million market cap. I think that's quite a lot. It's a great project, and it could potentially later get towards Chainlink. But in terms of the project right now, it's just not as good. So perhaps it deserves a $1 billion market cap, maybe. But I'm not too sure about that. Long term, it definitely could, right? Long term, it provides value. It's based on Solana, so that all helps it. But all right, so that's about the project in the long term. In the short term, like I said, technically, some momentum was lost. I wouldn't say that right now Pyth is bearish because it's still on top of the 0.382 FIB, and it's been holding the support level right here around 45 and 46 cents. But you can also see right here that the open interest in the last 24 hours has just dropped down a bit. It's relatively stable, but it dropped down from 70 to 65 million, so that's a decrease of about 7-8%, I suppose. So now the big question is what's next? And honestly, I am not able to tell you, and I'm sorry for that. But you have to look at this chart, all right? And what you see is that it found strong resistance at 55 cents, was very bullish after that, but now found resistance and got a bearish breakout, while it's still holding the 302 FIB. So there's reasons to be very bullish on it still, all right, and expect that it will find support at the 302 FIB. Get a bullish breakout and rally up higher to the next price target, which in my eyes is 60 cents. There's reasons to believe that's most likely, but there's also reasons to believe that right now the EMAs are flipping and that Pyth will drop down below 45 cents and be bearish and drop down towards the levels right here between 40 and 38 cents. And honestly, both of these scenarios are as likely as one another, I would say. All right, so that is obviously that's a little bit difficult to analyze, and that's also not what you want to hear. You click this video probably to hear what was most likely to happen. And I gotta say, if you go to the 4-hour time frame, to me, Pyth still looks bullish. And the momentum it was showing in the last week obviously did not come from nowhere, right? So I would say in general, it's still more likely that Pyth will actually continue to be bullish. But you should be aware, you should just draw this on the charts, an area between 45 and 51 cents. And I wouldn't trade until one of these two levels is broken. If 51 cents and 50 cents breaks, Pyth is going to be bullish. But if the support around 46 and 45 cents breaks, it's more likely it will be bearish. All right, and that is what you need to know. All right, so those are my thoughts for now. If you do have any questions, then let me know down in the comments. Down in the pinned comment and the description, you can also find out more about my premium and my Signal group, which I have both. Very valuable, definitely worth it to check out, but that is up to you. For now, have a great weekend, and I'll see you all in the next videos.